Thanks for joining us at XM.com for today's market comment by Hera Pisuras. I'm Cristina Marujos. The US dollar accelerated its tumble yesterday, dropping against every other major currency, with the yen, the Kiwi, and the Aussie securing the most gains once again. This time, it was Fed Governor Chris Waller who pushed the greenback off a cliff, as the normally hawkish policymaker made a surprise turn and said that if the decline in inflation continues for several more months, they could start lowering the policy rate. This was the first time a Fed official discussed the possibility of a cut. This has prompted participants to add to their cut bets, with a 25 basis points cut now being fully priced in for May. Now, traders may be eager to find out whether the core PCE index, the Fed's favorite inflation metric, has further slowed in October. The year-on-year rate will be released on Thursday. Moreover, speeches by more Fed officials may also be of special interest, leading up to Powell's speech on Friday. The Japanese yen was once again the main gainer, as expectations of several rate reductions by the Fed next year, combined with yesterday's report that the end of the Bank of Japan's negative interest rate policy is approaching, has increased the confidence of dollar-yen bears. However, during the Asian session today, the slide has stopped near the 146.50 zone, and the pair rebounded somewhat as Bank of Japan board member Adachi said that policy will remain easy and that the bank will take further easing steps if needed. The Kiwi was the second-in-line winner, stretching its gains today after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand held its official cash rate steady at 5.5% and noted that inflation remains too high, and if inflationary pressures were to be stronger than anticipated, interest rates would likely need to increase further. The Aussie also gained notably yesterday, but failed to maintain the bullish momentum today, as Australia's monthly CPI eased more than expected in October. Waller's rate cut remarks were music to gold traders' ears, with the precious metal surging to test the high of May 10th at around $2,050, as expectations of more rate cuts by the Fed next year are making the non-yielding metal even more attractive. Oil prices gained nearly 2%, perhaps as investors were reluctant to add to their short positions ahead of the outcome of the OPEC Plus decision, scheduled to be officially made public tomorrow, though the latest headlines are suggesting that members are close to a compromise. The rebound may have also been exacerbated by the slide in the US dollar, and it could extend should producers reach common ground tomorrow, but it is unlikely to lead to a long-lasting recovery. Thank you for watching today's market comment here at XM.com.